to check Frontier Airlines personal item size limit. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Frontier Airlines website. After you're in the website, scroll down. Here you'll find different options. You'll find personal item. In personal item, you'll find all this information. One included size, including handles, wheels, and straps. Think purse, totes, computer bags, briefcase, and other information. And in another part of this website, you'll find personal item size limit. Here you'll find must no longer be 14-inch HX, 18-inch WXBD, including handles, wheels, and straps. These include purses, totes, computer bags, briefcase, and other options. Here you will find the size, additional fee it will charge if your bag is oversized or overweight. And this is how to check Frontier Airlines personal item size limits. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.